Hey friends, it's Len here at 1A Auto. Today I wanted to show you something super neat. We have some truck accent lights. You can use them in any vehicle really. I said truck, but you can use them for your automobiles as well. They're ultra bright. And a lot of people like to use them in their grills or inside their wheel wells or wherever you want to put them. These are actually bolt-ons. So they've got a little bolt on the bottom there with a nut. Comes with everything you need to mount it in. Easy peasy. If you need these or any other parts, you can always check us out at 1aauto.com. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.